Want to make your WooCommerce product pages more interactive, engaging, and easier to understand by your prospective customers? Imagine your customers can instantly watch product videos or listening audio content, or read more details, while on the product page itself through your product images. Isn't it great? Every product page becomes a live ad page. That's what we're doing today with the Audio Magic Hotspot plugin. Interactive hotspots powered by your image, including plus markers for key spots on the product. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to supercharge your online shop using hotspots inside your WooCommerce product description. By the end, you'll know how to create an interactive hotspot item with your product image as the base. Place plus markers on the image. Add headline, text, images, YouTube video, and audio per hotspot. Embed the experience in a WooCommerce product using a shortcode in the product description so shoppers see it on the product page. You'll need WordPress with WooCommerce installed, this plugin installed and active, and a product image you're happy to use, ideally the same one you use for the gallery, or a lifestyle shot that has room for callouts. Step 1. Open the Audio Magic Hotspot Interactive Builder from your WordPress admin, the same place you create interactive items that output a shortcode. Give your item a clear name, for example, the product name plus Hotspots, so you can find it later. Click Select Base Image and choose your main product image from the media library. When the image loads, you'll see the canvas where we'll place our hotspots. Step 2. Switch to the plus marker tool, or start with Select if you need to move things later. Click on the image where you want the first callout, for example, the zipper, pocket, material detail, or charging port. Repeat for each important feature. Each click adds another plus marker. Use Select to drag a marker if it's slightly off, and use the resize handle so the marker size feels balanced on the photo. Tip: fewer, clearer hotspots beat a cluttered image. Think top 3 reasons to buy, not 20 dots. Step 3. This is where your WooCommerce story meets the modal on the image. Click the first plus marker so it's selected. In the sidebar, you'll set this hotspot's own content. It doesn't share with the others. Headline, short benefit. Text, 1 or 2 sentences. What it is, why it matters. Link, size guide, compare models, or a buy bundle URL with a clear link label. Now media blocks. Image, close-up of stitching, texture, or certification badge. YouTube, paste your demo or unboxing URL for that feature. Audio, ambient product sound. Set trigger to hover, click, or both. For shops, hover feels fast. Click is good on mobile. Pick display style. Tooltip for quick facts, popover or modal if you're showing video or longer copy. Choose shape visibility, always visible so people discover hotspots easily, or reveal on hover for a cleaner hero image. Repeat for each plus marker. Select the next shape on the image, fill its headline, text, and media. Step 4. Open theme options and pick light, dark, brand, or high contrast, or set custom background and text colors so the pop-up matches your WooCommerce brand, not a random gray box. Step 5. Click Save on the interactive item. The builder shows a shortcode that looks like brackets around AIA Advance and your post ID. Copy that shortcode. You'll paste it into the product next. Step 6. In WordPress, go to Products, open your product, and scroll to the product short description or description, wherever you want shoppers to see the interactive image. Paste the shortcode on its own line. Preview the product page. You should see your image with plus markers. Hover or tap a marker and your video, audio, images, and text appear in the overlay right on the product photo. If the shortcode shows as plain text, switch the editor to HTML or use a block that allows shortcodes, depending on your theme and page builder. If video autoplays too aggressively, adjust autoplay settings in the item and retest. Browsers often prefer muted or user interaction first. Keep file sizes reasonable so the product page stays fast. That's how you use Audio Magic Hotspot to turn a flat WooCommerce product image into an interactive sales assistant, plus markers on the photo, YouTube, audio, and images inside the same experience as your product information. If this helped, like the video, subscribe for more WordPress shop tips, and comment with the product type you want to try next: fashion, electronics, furniture, or something else. See you in the next one.